Villeroy Boch surface-mounted kitchen sinks are supplied with the following installation accessories. Special EPDM tape to prevent damage when the sink is removed again in the future. An outlet fitting, either with or without pop-up waste outlet. A rotary knob cover cap for single pop-up waste outlet fittings. Cutout templates for corner sinks and sinks with non-standard shapes. The following are also required. Jigsaw for the cutout. Silicone gun and cartridge. Silicone wiper. Scraper. P-trap. When making the cutout in the countertop, refer to the dimensions shown on the price list. The price list also shows the possible positions for the tap holes. Please state these when ordering. A cutout template is supplied for corner sinks and non-standard shaped sinks, such as the new wave sink. After producing the cutout, clean any sawdust off the cut edges. Insert the sink into the cutout and align it. Mark out the outline of the sink on the countertop. Remove the sink from the countertop again. Apply an unbroken strip of the EPDM tape supplied along the outer contour of the sink and at a distance of approximately 5 mm from the edge of the cutout. Only apply the tape to the countertop, not to the polished rim of the sink. Clean the marking off the countertop and clean the rim of the sink. After cleaning the edges of the cutout, apply silicone and spread it evenly using the scraper. Apply a bead of silicone with a thickness of approximately 10 mm to the EPDM tape and the countertop. Observe the product information and instructions for use on the silicone cartridge. Now insert the sink into the cutout and align it. Remove the surplus silicone. Connect up the supply and outlet lines. More information on installing the tap and outlet fittings can be found in a separate video.